In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redline a document in MS Word. If you need to show changes made to a document, such as added text, deleted text, or formatting changes, Microsoft Word's Track Changes feature can help. Redlining a document makes it easier for other people to review what has been changed without losing the original content. First, open Microsoft Word and open the document you want to redline. Next, go to the Review tab at the top of the Word window. In the Tracking section, look for the Track Changes option. Click Track Changes to turn it on. Once this feature is enabled, Word will begin recording changes that you make to the document. Now, make the edits you need. When you add new text, Word will mark the addition so it can be identified as a change. When you delete existing text, Word will show that the text was removed instead of simply making it disappear. You can also make other changes, such as modifying formatting, and Word can record those changes as well, depending on your tracking settings. As you continue editing, you can review the document to see the changes that have been recorded. The exact appearance of the redline markup can vary depending on your Word settings and the selected review view. If you want to see the changes more clearly, stay on the Review tab and look for the display options in the Tracking section. You can switch between different views to control how the markup appears in your document. You can also use the Previous and Next buttons in the Review tab to move through each change one at a time. This is useful when reviewing a document with many edits. When you're finished making changes, you can keep the tracked revisions for someone else to review, or use the Accept and Reject options on the Review tab to decide which changes should remain in the document. If you want to stop recording additional changes, return to the Review tab and click Track Changes again to turn it off. And that's how you can redline a document in Microsoft Word using Track Changes. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,